Number 3 is our enclosure type. Kailangan mo bang mag-racks o pwede na ba yung mega box? O cruel ba yung mega box kaya dapat naka-glass ka? So pag-usapan natin yan. This is my basic setup for a ball python. So what you can see here is substrate. So I use wood shavings. Tapos meron akong hide. Nagre-recycle lang ako ng mga malalaking, what do you call this? Food containers. So, binutasan ko lang, nilagyan ko ng pinto, and ginawa niya ng taguan. 'Di ba? Diyan siya talaga nagtatago. So, tapos of course, the water bowl para kapag ka nauhaw, iinom lang, 'di ba? So, ito na yung basic setup. Gusto mo yung ball python mo nakakapag-stretch pa rin, nababanat yung katawan, 'di ba? Hindi sobrang liit, hindi rin sobrang laki kasi kapag sobrang laki naman, na-overwhelm sila. Kasi again, basing on their behavior, na nakatira sa mga burrow sa ilalim ng lupa at hindi masyadong active. So this is a really nice setup for them, and this works actually. And of course, if you only have one ball python, you don't need a rack system. The reason why we adapted the rack system is because marami na kaming ball pythons and it's easier for us na hihigitin na lang namin yung tubs nila compared sa ilalock namin isa-isa. But basically, this is your basic setup. Again, this is wood shavings lang, tapos yung hide and water bowl. For this particular setup, I know na konti lang yung nakukuha nila na enrichment. Now, enrichment comes in many forms. Handling, exposing them to the outside, 'di ba? Makahinga man lang ng sariwang hangin, makaramdaman lang ng lupa, 'di ba? So, that's what I committed to doing para sa kanila kasi nga wala silang masyadong enrichment in this particular setup. So, what I do is inilalabas ko sila. Yes, pumipili ako ng ilang mga ball pythons na ilalabas per day kapag maganda yung araw, kapag hindi masyadong mainit sa labas, kapag hapon para hindi na disrupt yung sleeping pattern nila, inilalabas ko po for enrichment. And then after several minutes, kapag nakita ko na gusto nang mag-hide, ibabalik ko na lang sa kanilang mga enclosures. For me, that's very important kasi for an animal na ganito ka-sedentary at walang ka-exposure, I want them to at least have enrichment naman kasi nakakaawa din naman nga na nasa tubs lang sila. Except of course, dun sa ating mga gravid females kasi they wouldn't want to move anymore. They're conserving the energy para doon sa ililay nila na clutch of eggs.